Hello, in this video, I'm going to talk through using QR code generator freely and setting up an account and what sort of features an account gives me. So I'm on the site QR code generator. It's simply QR-code-generator.com. Now, if I wanted to create a QR code freely without setting up an account, I can easily do this with this site. This is the main page or the landing page of the site. All I need to do is enter your website text or drop file here. So I'm just going to paste a video link, for example, and you can see that it automatically creates the code for me. But what I want to do, if I wanted to have some more features, so for example, scan how many people have actually used my code to get some data from that, or if I wanted to link to other content that wasn't web-based as such content, I'd need to set up an account with this particular platform. So it's really easy to do that, and for educators it's free to set up an educator account. So I click on this sign up tool and then I fill in all the information. So obviously our industry would be education. You put in your work email, you create a password, and then you select what the bulk of your material will be. I actually already have an account with these guys, so I'm not going to set one up. I'm just going to log straight into my account. Now, with most sites nowadays, logging in is quite easy, particularly if you're like me and have thousands of logins and tend to forget your password for things. If you just click on the single sign-on login with Google button, that will basically look into your device and see what Google accounts are connected to it. So I've got quite a few. So I'm just going to click on my PLC or my school account, and that now has recognized me as a user and has logged into my account. And you can see I've got various different codes that I've created in the past. I can sort my codes by folders and things like that. So when I'm in this account, I can simply click on create QR code, and then it'll open up a menu where I can decide, well, what sort of code type am I wanting to create? Is it something that's going to link to my social media accounts? Is it something that I'm going to use as part of some coupons or discounts? Is it something that's going to get some kind of audience rating or promote an event? Or is it going to link to a PDF or an app or a series of images and MP3s? And essentially, if I want to, say, go with app, I'm going to click on whatever option I want it to link to. Let's just say social media accounts. So I want it to link to one of my social media accounts. I select it, it turns green. That indicates that it has selected this option, and I click on next. It will then take me to another menu that will ask me some more information about what I want to link to. And so I can add in some, images. I can, change the coloring. So I might want to go with a red button or a green button. I can then, change the text that's on there. So I can change the headline. I can change the information about us. I can then specify what channels. I can, add in a welcome screen. So you can see I have lots and lots and lots of different options of what I want to do here. And then I can preview it. I can, put in social media to give it a name. I can then add in a social account. So let's find Twitter, for example. I'll add in my Twitter account details. Let's get that up. And then paste that over. Okay, so then where it says username, you can put that in, and then it can say follow me, next. And I can just remove the ones that I don't want to link to. So I just want that one, next. And that'll create my QR code.